Welcome traders. Are you new to Forex trading and want to learn how to use Metatrader 5 app on your Android phone? Don't worry, you are not alone, and that's exactly why I made this video. In this complete beginner's guide, I will walk you step by step through everything you need to know to use MT5 on Android like a pro. We will cover the following. Number 1, downloading and installing the app. Logging in and setting up your account. Creating an account with a broker. Logging in with the broker's account. Exploring the MT5 trading platform interface and placing a trade. Let's continue. So the first thing for you to do is to come to this place and search for Play Store on your Android phone and select Play Store. Allow it to load. Then on the Play Store search box, type MT5. As you can see, I've already installed the app. So what I will do now is to open the MT5 app. Let's open it. So we've opened it. Then come to this menu here, click on menu. Then click on manage accounts. Under this manage accounts, you click this plus sign here to add brokers. So here is a place you can search for any broker of your choice. So if you install a fresh MT5 account, you will only see Metaquotes. So you click on Metaquotes if you want to use their broker, and click on open a demo account to open a demo account as a beginner. So click open a demo account. Here you can fill in your details, your first name, your second name, date of birth, phone number, and all other details here. After filling in the details, you click register to register the account. So let's move to the next stage. Now, the next thing for us to do is to search for Google Chrome. So let's click Google Chrome. On the Google Chrome app, you need to type Xnest, because it's Xnest that we are going to use here. When you type Xnest or any broker you want to trade the demo account, you click create an account. Under create an account, you will see details you fill here, your country / region of residence. So you select your region here. After that, you scroll down to fill the other details, your email, your password, and click register. And after registering, the next thing is to sign into the account to create the broker account. So open to create a demo account, click on open account. Here you have open account. You click on it, wait for it to load, and select standard account. So click continue, wait for it to load. Here you have demo and drill. But remember, we are opening a demo account, so we select the demo. Scroll down and fill in the details. Currency is in USD. Under this starting balance, you can make it $10,000, 100,000, or any price of your choice. So just write 10,000, $10,000. So we are selecting our starting balance as $10,000. Next thing is leverage. So you can select any leverage of your choice. We have from 2, 1:2 to unlimited. So you can choose any one you like here. Or you can choose 1:2000 or 1:to unlimited. So next thing now for us to do, let's go back, is to click create account after inputting our trading password that we use to sign in on the MT5 account. So click create account. After creating account, you will return to your account here. Let's get the account details. Click on this menu and click my accounts. From here, wait for it to load and scroll down. You see your account balance and all the trading details here, the leverage selected. So the platform MT5. So you get your login details here. The server you will select on MT5 is this one indicated here on your account, and your MT5 login, you have the code you use to log in here. You can change your trading password here if you want. So let's quickly go to MT5 platform. So on your phone, search for MT5. So MT5 or Metatrader. You can see, you see it here. This is Metatrader. Click on it. You open it. So here you can enter the password and the server. Select the server. So let me show you how to enter external listing. So come here, search for the name of the broker, which is XNES here. So let's select XNES Technologies Limited. Wait for it to load. After loading, you enter your password and select the server. If the server is not displayed here, click here, scroll to the last one and select that XNES MT5 trial 9. It's going to be the last. So after that, input your login details and click login. When you log in, it's going to bring you back to this place and you will see this account being logged in here. So let's click on quote to see the symbols we can trade. In this place, assuming you want to add instruments that are not available here, let's assume you want to add XAU USD. You can click here and add it. Let me remove it. When you click this plus button, it will be added. Or USD, let me show you something first. Let's go back to the quote. If you check here now, you will see that we don't have USD JPY, but we can add it. So click on this plus button, search for USD JPY, USD JPY. Here, you click add and it has added. When you go back to the quote, scroll down, you will see that it has been added. So that's it. Let's then explain this interface. Under quote, you see all the instruments, all the available instruments you can trade. So that's how it is. These points showing here are the spread. You check here, you see the spread. So, but that's not the focus of this video. Let me just explain everything you need as a beginner. Then you come to charts. You click chart, you see the chart here. This is a chart of GBP USD. You come to trades, you click trades. Under trade, you will see your balance, your equity, and your free margin. Then come to history. You will see the history of trades you've opened and closed. Then you come here, you see the order that have been filled and pending orders. So that's it. The next thing we do now is to try and place a trade. So let's scroll down and place a trade. Let's assume we want to buy Euro USD or GBP USD. What you will do is to just click on it. When you click on it, it's going to pop up new order. So select new order. When you select new order, in this place now you have your lot size, where you will enter your lot size. Here is market order type. So if you want to change your order to be either limit or other types, just click here. Wait for it to display. You see buy limit order, sell limit order, buy stop, sell stop, buy stop limit, and sell stop limit. So choose any one you want to use here and place. Mostly if you want to place a trade that is not market order, you choose the limit, enter the price at which you want the trade to be executed and wait for it. If you are buying, if you are selling, you also do the same here. So let's move. But for this video, we are going to use market order so that you can see how the trade is placed. So we are using a lot size of 0.04. Remember, this is just an assumed lot size for this example. We have not calculated our lot size. I have done a video on how to calculate uh, uh, lot size. So you can watch it later. So I've entered the lot size here. Remember, we have a place where we can fill in our stop loss indicated as SL here. We also have TP, which is take profit. So in this box, you will enter your take a stop loss price. This other one, you will enter your take profit price after analyzing the chart, and it determines these points. So you come here and impute them. But here we are just trying to place a trade, so we just assumed imaginary lot size of 0.04. I will use and buy this market. So after entering the lot size and all the trade details you need, you click buy. As you can see, the order has been executed and is done now. The trade is running. So as you can see here, the trade is running. If the color shows blue, it means you are in a floating profit. If it shows red, it means you are in a floating loss. So that's how it is. We can also place another trade. Let's assume we want to sell Euro USD. Euro USD. We click it, click new order, then can sell this price, or we can buy it. Let's say we want to buy, we buy, and you can see the price here. If you want to sell, just click on it, then click select Euro USD, new order. You enter your lot size, click sell. So it will sell. So as you can see, we have these orders we've opened here that are currently running. Remember, this is just demo account that we are using to test this tutorial. Well, I believe everything is clear now. So bye.